When a mysterious object that defies our understanding of celestial physics suddenly appears in our solar system, it's like a ripple through the fabric of what we thought was possible, stretching the limits of science and imagination. Imagine a structure so unusual, so seemingly intelligent in its design, that it sparks debates about whether we're witnessing an alien probe sent from beyond the stars, studying us. If it turns out to be more than just a cosmic anomaly, our entire perspective on space, our place in the universe, and even our culture could shift dramatically. So, what has NASA just revealed about the enigmatic 3I/Atlas? And could this strange object be a visitor from another world? Let's unravel the mystery that's making scientists and enthusiasts worldwide sit up and take notice. This isn't just science fiction. It might be something entirely groundbreaking. Historical context of unidentified interstellar objects. Throughout modern astronomy, few discoveries have stirred as much intrigue as unidentified interstellar objects drifting through our solar system. Typically, these visitors, like the first recognized interstellar object, Oumuamua, arrived as enigmatic travelers, their origins cloaked in mystery and their appearances defying conventional models of cometary or asteroid behavior. Unlike objects born from our solar system's formation, these interlopers originate from distant star systems, carrying with them potential clues about planetary processes, cosmic environments, or even something more speculative, alien technology. Their traversal sparks both scientific curiosity and cultural speculation, challenging how humanity perceives its place in a universe filled with unknowns. Imagine the physics of such objects, speeding through space at hypervelocity, often with trajectories that suggest they are not gravitationally bound to our sun. Their shapes often seem odd, sometimes elongated or strangely tumbling, raising questions about their structural integrity and origin. For example, Oumuamua's highly elongated form and acceleration inconsistent with solar radiation pushed scientists to explore theories beyond natural explanations, some even leaping into the realm of artificial constructs. When pondering such objects, it's tempting to visualize them as remnants of ancient civilizations, passive probes drifting through cosmos, possibly sent by beings far more advanced than us, observing or exploring. These interstellar visitors also bear influence beyond science, infiltrating culture and pushing the boundaries of science fiction. They evoke images of distant worlds and alien intelligences capable of creating or dispatching objects across light years. Such concepts permeate movies, literature, and art, sparking debates about what might be possible and how humanity might respond to tangible contact. The potential effects ripple into societal consciousness, provoking both awe and anxiety about the unknown, while also inspiring technological innovation to better detect and analyze future objects. Their rare appearances serve as cosmic reminders that Earth is part of a vast, interconnected universe teeming with surprises. Historically, the discovery of these objects is relatively recent, but marks a significant shift in astronomical observation, moving from studying objects confined within our solar system to recognizing visitors from beyond. This shift has forced scientists and enthusiasts alike to reconsider the assumption that everything within our neighborhood is familiar or easily explained by natural causes. As telescopes and detection technologies evolve, so does our understanding of the frequency and significance of such interstellar visitors, fueling ongoing debates about what truly constitutes natural versus artificial origins. Whether 3I/Atlas will remain an enigma or reveal itself as an alien probe is part of a larger, unfolding story, one that's rooted in a long history of humbling discoveries about our place in the universe. Recent discoveries and observations of 3I/Atlas. In the vast stretches of space, objects like 3I/Atlas, a small yet intriguing near-Earth asteroid, have become focal points for both scientists and the curious-minded alike. Initially discovered in 2019, its trajectory quickly drew attention due to its unusually fast movement and hyperbolic orbit, indicating it's not bound to the Sun in the same way as typical asteroids. Instead, it zips through the inner solar system once, offering a fleeting glimpse into objects that might originate from distant star systems. Recent observations have sharpened our understanding of its physical characteristics, revealing a small, elongated shape with an irregular surface pocked by craters. This shape aligns with what we see in many comets and asteroids that have been shaped by stellar winds and past collisions over eons. What heightens the intrigue around 3I/Atlas isn't just its physical form, but the questions it raises about its origin. Data from telescopes and space agencies suggest that its composition includes metals and organic molecules that are somewhat unusual for objects formed within our solar system. These clues hint that it might be an interstellar visitor, a relic from outside our local stellar neighborhood, traveling through the Milky Way. Its velocity at closest approach was fast enough to suggest it didn't originate here, which opens a Pandora's box of possibilities about interstellar material and the potential for objects like it to harbor clues about alien worlds. This possibility has led to speculation, especially as the object's speed and trajectory defy the orbiting patterns associated with typical solar system residents. As new observations roll in via radar imaging and spectroscopy, scientists are meticulously analyzing signals that could provide insights into its internal structure. There's a particular interest in whether 3I/Atlas exhibits any anomalous features, such as unusual magnetic fields, non-gravitational accelerations, or surface properties that might hint at artificial origins. Some fringe theories, fueled by the rapid pace of discoveries, even speculate whether we're witnessing the first signs of an alien probe, either discarded or lost from a distant civilization. While no conclusive proof supports this yet, the increasing detail with which we are able to observe such objects feeds into a broader narrative. That within this cosmic highway, remnants of alien technology or probes could, theoretically, slip through unnoticed only to be glimpsed when they come close to Earth. The potential cultural implications of uncovering an interstellar object like 3I/Atlas are profound. Humanity's perspective on its place in the universe could shift, inspiring new philosophies and scientific pursuits rooted in the idea that we're not alone or isolated in this cosmic dance. Nature, too, might bear silent witness to these visits. Tiny fragments, extraterrestrial microbial life, or even non-biological artifacts could someday be found embedded in asteroid regoliths. That would ignite a cascade of scientific and cultural reevaluation, prompting calls to deepen space exploration initiatives. For now, the mystery persists. An intriguing visitor blazing through our neighborhood, whispering secrets of distant worlds, whether natural or artifact, leaving us to wonder about the true scope of what is out there. Scientific explanations and hypotheses regarding the nature of 3I/Atlas. The debate surrounding 3I/Atlas has sparked incredible curiosity among scientists and enthusiasts alike, especially with its unusual trajectory and physical characteristics that set it apart from typical asteroids or comets. Unlike most objects in our solar system, Atlas's behavior suggests it could be an artifact of a different origin, either natural or artificial. Its rapid acceleration and non-gravitational forces acting upon it have led some researchers to explore hypotheses beyond conventional planetary physics. For example, the way it appears to respond to radiation pressure and the way it unexpectedly changes speed during its close paths evoke mechanisms seen in artificial objects subjected to external control or propulsion. Theoretical models considering such propulsion include concepts from advanced physics that, although speculative, are rooted in current scientific principles about light sails or electromagnetic drives. Some hypotheses contend that 3I/Atlas might be a fragment of a larger, possibly artificial origin. Its brute force shape and reflective surface suggest the possibility of manufactured components, perhaps a piece of dismantled spacecraft or a probe. This leads to intriguing comparisons with recent discoveries of small, artificial-looking debris in Earth's orbit or near-Earth space, an area of ongoing investigation across several space agencies. If Atlas indeed bears signs of artificiality, researchers hypothesize it could be a probe sent to observe or monitor the solar system, functioning like a discarded or lost relay device. This idea aligns with the notion that an alien civilization might deploy such objects to scout planets, gather data, or even gauge the presence of life, all while remaining undetectable or minimally invasive. On the other hand, natural explanations weave into existing knowledge about planetary physics and meteoritic phenomena. Some propose that 3I/Atlas is an unusual type of asteroid, perhaps a fragment of a larger body that was fragmented by tidal forces or collisions in deep space. Its irregular shape and rapid changes in brightness could result from surface activity, such as thermal cracking or sublimation, similar to what we observe with some cometary bodies. These processes can produce the sublimation-driven jets that alter an object's trajectory, mimicking the acceleration observed in ATLAS. Moreover, modeling the effects of stellar radiation and solar wind on such a body might account for its observed motion, aligning with known physics yet still challenging to explain fully given its anomalous acceleration. The debate extends into the potential cultural and scientific impacts of understanding 3I/ATLAS. If it turns out to be artificial, it would challenge humanity's conceptions about our place in the cosmos and the likelihood of extraterrestrial probes nearby, potentially heralding a new era of cosmic diplomacy or extraterrestrial discovery. If natural, it underlines the importance of refining our models of small-body physics and planetary debris formations, highlighting gaps in our understanding of how objects behave in such extreme conditions. Either way, the ongoing investigation enhances human curiosity, pushing the boundaries of what we regard as possible, and encouraging new experiments to test the limits of current physics and detection technologies. It's a puzzle that invites multiple lines of inquiry, blending astrophysics with the tantalizing possibility of encountering something truly alien, be it natural or technological. Implications of the possibility of alien origin and what NASA revealed. In recent discussions surrounding the mysterious object designated 3I/ATLAS, the notion of its potential alien origin has stirred both scientific curiosity and public imagination. The initial intrigue stemmed from its unusual trajectory and physical characteristics, which didn't neatly fit within conventional patterns of known celestial bodies or space debris. When NASA recently released findings suggesting that 72 hours of observations showed no definitive signs of natural or human-made origin, speculation exploded across social media and scientific forums alike. Such a revelation sparks deep questions about whether this object might be a craft of extraterrestrial design, intentionally or otherwise navigating through our solar system. If confirmed, it would challenge long-held assumptions about the universe's capacity for intelligent life and the technological prowess such civilizations could wield. Reflecting on planetary physics, the idea of an alien probe embedded within the debris field of a near-Earth object, NEO, invites comparisons to the way we design interplanetary probes, small, durable, with sophisticated sensors to endure harsh environments. Imagine a craft conceptualized with a protective shell that withstands cosmic radiation, high-velocity movement, and the vacuum of space, yet optimized for detecting signals or gathering data from distant worlds. If 3I/ATLAS is indeed such an artifact, its physical composition might exhibit unusual materials, resonant frequencies, or energy signatures unlike anything found naturally. This raises provocative implications. Would such a probe be actively exploring our system or passing through its trajectory as part of an interstellar reconnaissance? The potential for human detection and understanding would skyrocket, challenging us to broaden our understanding of intelligence's reach beyond Earth. The broader cultural impact of confirming an alien origin cannot be overstated. Humanity's perspective of itself would shift profoundly if we fully believed that an extraterrestrial entity had reached our neighborhood, even if only momentarily. It could inspire a renaissance of scientific inquiry, drive innovations in technology mimicking alien engineering, or fundamentally alter religion, philosophy, and the arts. Nature itself might be viewed through a fresh lens, with ecosystems revealing more about resilience in the face of cosmic interactions, subtly influenced by the possibility of unseen visitors. Society might grapple with the implications of being part of a larger cosmic community. How to respond, whether to pursue contact, or simply to acknowledge our place in an interstellar tapestry woven with unknown civilizations and their diverse motives. The disclosure of such a discovery would set off ripple effects across every facet of human existence, revealing how much more there is to learn about the universe that surrounds us. Recent disclosures by NASA have ignited fresh debates over the enigmatic object known as 3I/ATLAS. Its sudden appearance and peculiar trajectory have led some to speculate whether it might be an alien probe observing our solar system. Unlike typical celestial bodies like comets or asteroids, which originate from within our system's Kuiper belt or Oort cloud, 3I/ATLAS exhibited a non-gravitational acceleration that defies straightforward explanation. Observations indicated that it shifted its course in ways inconsistent with known physics, raising eyebrows among astronomers and astrophysicists alike. What makes this object particularly intriguing is how it contrasts with our understanding of planetary physics. If it were a natural body, its rapid acceleration and trajectory change might be attributed to outgassing or solar radiation pressure, common phenomena observed in comets. But when scientists detailed the data, they found no signs of typical cometary activity, such as a tail or gas emissions. Instead, the object's compact size, along with its abnormal movement, lends credence to the hypothesis that it could be something artificial, potentially a probe sent from an advanced civilization. This is not just idle speculation. Recent spectroscopy shows anomalies in its material composition, featuring metals and isotopic ratios that are unusual for natural space objects. The cultural implications of such a discovery ripple far beyond scientific circles. If 3I/Atlas were confirmed as alien technology, it might radically reshape humanity's perception of its place in the universe. It could inspire a new wave of curiosity and inquiry, fueling speculation about the existence of extraterrestrial intelligence observing us from the shadows. On a more practical level, if it was indeed an alien probe, the effects on space policy and surveillance would be profound. Existing detection systems and protocols might be inadequate to handle such a form of contact, prompting urgent discussions about protecting future Earth encounters and understanding the technology behind such objects. Meanwhile, the possibility of extraterrestrial origin challenges our existing notions of planetary and cosmic physics as well. Natural objects like asteroids follow predictable paths shaped by gravity and known physical laws. Yet this object's anomalies open questions about the limits of our knowledge. If human civilization ever encounters a real alien probe, it would force a reevaluation of how we distinguish natural celestial phenomena from artifacts of intelligent design. For now, the NASA revelations keep the philosophical doors wide open, maintaining a delicate balance between scientific skepticism and wonder, as we attempt to decipher the true nature of 3I/Atlas and what it might mean for the future of human exploration. Imagine, for a moment, standing on a distant planet's surface, gazing up at a strange, alien object drifting silently through the void, an enigma that challenges our understanding of the universe. It's almost as if the cosmos itself is softly whispering secrets we've only begun to decipher. The question of whether 3I/Atlas is an alien probe opens a window into both the vast mysteries of space and our relentless curiosity about what lies beyond our world. From its unusual trajectory to the intriguing possibility that it might be a piece of extraterrestrial technology, this discovery pushes us to reevaluate what we think we know about celestial visitors. Could it be a remnant of an alien civilization, a mere natural object with a bizarre history, or something entirely new? As NASA and other space agencies continue their investigations, each revelation adds a brushstroke to the grand cosmic portrait. This story isn't just about a mysterious object. It's about humanity's innate desire to explore, understand, and connect with the universe. So, what do you think? Are we truly alone? Or are these cosmic mysteries hinting at something more? Stay tuned, because the universe still has countless secrets waiting to be uncovered, and First will be right here to explore every one of them with you. Make sure to subscribe for more deep dives into the universe's most captivating enigmas, because the adventure is just beginning.